is about to burst into life. Then Kevin Say will have the inside line for the run to La Source. Alongside him, Giacomo Petrobelli, and keep an eye to Alex Martin with championship on his mind. How aggressive is he willing to be from third on the grid? One car into the pits already. That was Ramos, I think, starting from the pit lane. The rest of the field, though, is greeted by the green flag, and off they rush towards La Source. Not a good start for Petrobelli. Martin and Matt Topham up the inside of him, but Giacomo manages to hang on to second place. Storming round the outside was Sean Balfe, and he's picked up a few places whilst Loggy is in trouble. Loggy's had contact, so too John Ferguson, and into Andrew Howard. I think Richard Neary was involved in that too. And big drama down the hill. The 27 McLaren heavily into the barriers, takes a couple of others with him, and that was big contact with Sasha Kakad. The car is back in the middle of the road, and this almost certainly will be a race stoppage.
So let's have a look. I think we need to be looking row 4. You see the 77 orange McLaren just to the outside of Martin. I think he goes late on the brakes, and I think there's a bit of contact in between him and the Audi, and now Buncombe in that white one. I mean, Neary's in the side of Ferguson there. So let's pick this angle. I've not seen this. So let's look to the red Audi, the yellow-fronted BMW. I think it is 3 cars into one, yeah. And I think that no one knew that there was another car. The most innocent one is orange.
Yes.
That's the biggest unfortunate. Watching the Ginetta squeeze through the back, and that's why he's 4 places above some of the GT3 cars, because they've read that super well. Wow, look at this, the speed, the energy, the engine cover coming off the BMW as well. I didn't appreciate that. Now watch the Ginetta in the left follow this BMW through. That is tight. That would have been a big breath in to make sure you get through there, but thankfully all drivers okay. You can actually Neary's retired on the scene as well. That would have, there's quite a bit of smoke coming out the back of that car actually. Feel sorry for Neary, further back than he has been, and I think he's just been a victim of mid-pack lap 1 racing better.
Yeah.
So we've got another replay, slow-mo of everything going on. So there's Ferguson, Neary and Howard, and then if we just look to our right side, Kakad getting turned around the front. It must have been Cavers and Buncombe, and then as Cavers goes left, that's Simon Orange, and he kind of bounces into the barrier at the same point. Cavers' hit is big enough by its own self. And then look in the background, everyone now doesn't make contact again, and that is trying to slice your way through there. It's job done well by everyone.
Tomlinson did hit the wall.